So, to follow up the video that I've just recorded and uploaded in regards to the actual origins and the history behind Easter, the spring ritual, I actually felt inspired to, sing a little freestyle because while I'm here, why not? Sitting in the forest, it's lovely, and the sun is not shining so much today as it's covered by clouds. But that's okay. Don't let the weather determine your emotions. It's always a sunny day if you're shining brightly from within. So, yeah, let's do this. Ostara, 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 rebirthing, rebirthing, rebirthing of life. Ostara, 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 ostara. Eastern star, never heavens your shine, far but you're always close to me. You're always close, you see. Look up in the morning to the morning star, oh star, oh star, oh star, rebirthing, rebirthing all of life, life, rebirthing all of life. Oh, birds and the bees come out to please Mother Nature, following the cycles that we heal. Every single season, doing what it should. Oh, star, oh, star, oh, star, oh, star. Spontaneous singing dedicated to the season of Easter and the goddess that Easter is derived from.